Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, friends. Today I'm going to tell you a magical story, but a real one, not from a fairy tale book, from the life lessons of Hazrat Musleh Maud anhu. Have you heard about Aladdin's lamp, the one that makes a genie appear when you rub it? When we were little, we believed these stories were real. We imagined that if we had the lamp, we could get toys, a treehouse, even our favorite snacks instantly. But then we grow bigger and say, oh, that was just a story. But Hazrat Musleh Maud anhu said something amazing. He said, Aladdin's lamp actually does exist, just not the way we think. The real lamp is not made of metal. It's not something you hold in your hand. The real lamp is something inside of us. It's called intention, determination, and strong willpower. How it works. Think of it like this. When you decide, I will finish my homework today, that's you rubbing the lamp. When you think, I will learn this surah no matter how hard, that's you rubbing the lamp. When you say, I will stop my bad habits, that's you rubbing the lamp. And then Allah helps you, just like the genie helped Aladdin, but in a much better, real way. Allah has given humans a small reflection of His power. When Allah says be, things start to happen. When we try our best, follow His rules, pray to Him, and make a strong intention, then our be also begins to work. Not like the buzz 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 bee. So, if you want to become top of your class, win a competition, learn Qur'an beautifully, break a bad habit, become confident, or pray regularly, first you decide it, then you make a dua, then you work for it. And then the real lamp starts helping you. So children, remember this. You already have Aladdin's lamp. It's inside of you. It's your intention, your effort, and your dua. When you rub it with determination, amazing things happen, inshallah. If you like today's story, don't forget to share it and tell your friends that the real magic is inside of us when Allah helps us. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this to someone that needs a reminder of Aladdin's lamp. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah and bye!